Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about cleanliness. Most guys don't talk about it, but hey, I like to be clean. I want you guys to be clean. So we're going to talk about it today. Today I have my trusty multi-tool. Most guys have one of these. So I figured, have a little guide thing in a video talking about cleanliness. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about the company Grove. Grove is pretty cool. They are a subscription service that is all natural products, no parabens, no dyes, essential oil base for most of their products that they offer. And I really like essential oils, especially lavender. So it's really exciting. So this is the first box that I've gotten. I got it because Krista recently had a membership and they sent me an offer because she referred a friend. So offer for some free stuff? Yeah, I'm down for it. I know you guys would be too. So let's get this box open and I'll show you what's inside. So the outside of the box, just to show you guys, has Grove all over it, Grove collaborative. And I'm gonna say thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike, on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pull it closer. Thank you, Mike. No, thank you guys. So let's open it up. And I want to say, guys, I ordered this on a Sunday, to be exact. I want to say it was last Sunday or last Saturday. Probably last Saturday. But it arrived to me on Wednesday of this week. So the turnaround time is pretty good. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Mrs. Myers Cleaning Day multi-surface cleaner. This gets off tough dirt, grime, gentle for your house. It's a honeysuckle scent, and it's plant-based essential oils, free of parabens and all those nasty things that we don't want in our products. So that's the first thing. Next thing is the Method brand, not Method Man, Method brand antibacterial bathroom cleaner. Really excited about this. We have 3 boys, so we want to make sure our bathroom smells good when people come over to use it. Next thing is one of my favorites is Myers hand soap. It's lavender. I love lavender. You guys should love lavender too. Next we have the Myers dish soap. I got it this time, guys. Dish soap. Lemon scent. And we have the cleaning sponges for your kitchen. There's a 2-pack of those. Those are directly from Grove. It's walnut and cellulose scrubbing sponge. Then we got hand lotion, Myers hand lotion. It's the rainwater scent. Never smelled it before. Those would be really good. And soap. All right, we got a whole bunch of small things, so let me pull that out. Put that over there. This. All right, that's everything out of the box, and I'll explain to you guys what all of this is. Okay. So this right here is their concentrated glass cleaner. I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of the glass cleaners that we use on a normal basis have a lot of toxins in them, and This is made with rosemary and orange. And so it's gonna leave your glassware, like glass doors, whatever, clean, smelling good, and free of all those toxins that aren't good for kids, animals, adults. And with that, they sent me a spray bottle to go with it. It's a glass spray bottle with a rubber bottom to protect it. And they set it down in this nice little container here. And it says how to use. Twist off the top, dispense into 16 ounce Grove container or spray bottle, and fill the remainder with water. So this with water is what you need for 16 ounces of glass cleaner. Now, also got this little caddy. It's the Grove cleaning caddy. Now this stuff that I'm about to show you specifically for me. So I'm really big on my face being clean and moisturized because we live at the beach and the air is humid, but my skin wants to be oily one minute and dry the next. So I got this Bulldog skincare for men line, and it's all natural stuff. Really good. I want to try this because the stuff I use now, I believe that it is causing more harm than good. It'll be moisturized for a second and then 2 seconds later it's dry. So I got the original face wash, I got the original face scrub, and I got the moisturizer. And being that we do live, where mosquitoes like to eat us up, I got this Murphy's Natural Mosquito Repellent Candle. It's DEET free and plant-based. And oh my gosh, guys, this thing smells so good. It has rosemary oil, peppermint oil, lemongrass oil, cedarwood oil, and hydrogenated soybean oil, beeswax. Smells so good. I can't wait to sit outside on the porch and smell this and have it keep the mosquitoes away. So, you're probably wondering, how much did I pay for all this? So, this the spray, one of the hand soaps, the hand lotion, the dish soap, the glass cleaner bottle, and the concentrate, and the caddy. So all of this, plus their subscription. I got a 60-day free trial of their subscription. All of that was free. I paid for the two hand soaps, the two extra hand soaps, because we go through a lot of that. The Bulldog products for men, and we paid for the antibacterial bathroom cleaner and the mosquito repellent candle. All of this that we paid for was about $40 before tax. The shipping was free also. And one of the cool things about subscribing to their subscription setup is you get your shipping for free, and they always have free setups where you order a certain amount and you get this amount free. So guys, I'm gonna try this out and I'll let you know next couple of videos how this is working out. There's mosquito repellent. Next time we do a video outside, you'll know about that. And the bathroom cleaner, if you happen to stop by our house, come hang out, you'll know. I'll make sure to let you guys know how all this turns out. If you have any questions, comments about Grove, put them in there below so that we can answer them for you. Guys, this stuff is awesome. Especially the lavender hand soap. It's my favorite. I don't know how many times I can tell you that. We'll put a link to Grove in the description. Thank you guys for tuning in with me, hanging out. See you on the next one.